So we'll send a message to this instance. We go to events, and under message sending, we want send message to instance object with myself. Let's grab that. That lets us send a message to a particular object with a bit of information attached. And we want to send a message shoot to instance object. Let's get rid of that and we'll replace it with local instance. We're going to send shoot to local instance with, and then in here we can put anything we want, any bit of information that'll get sent along with the message. Let's put a number in there. That's going to be our velocity. So if we're facing to the right, we want the velocity to be 500. And down here, if we're facing to the left, let's send shoot to the instance with negative 500. Then our bullet will receive shoot with this number, and it will set its velocity based on that number. Okay, this is good. Let's go to our projectile now. So we need a when I receive message with a value block from events. And the message was shoot. And then we want to set visibility true and physics enabled. So set visibility to true, set physics enabled to true. Then we want to give the bullet some velocity. So we'll go to physics and grab set velocity x. Now we don't want it to be 0. We actually want it to be this value that gets sent along with the shoot message. So if we go to variables, we can see there's our value block there. And we could drag that out and put that in there. The velocity will become whatever that value was, either 500 or negative 500. And lastly, we'll get the bullet to scale itself as well. So we go to control flow and grab the if do else block. If velocity x is greater than 0, it's moving to the right, so we'll get it to face right. So we need a greater than block. It starts out as equals from operators. Greater than, and then from physics we want velocity x. If velocity x is greater than 0, we want to scale this, that's transform, set x scale of myself to 1. But if it's not greater than 0, that means it must be negative, so the scale will go -1 and it'll face to the left. Okay, that is what we need. Let's play this to see if our projectiles can have multiple clones of themselves. And that works pretty nicely.